Hey, what's good, people? It's Vito's Tech, checking out a case for the OnePlus Open. Now, I finally got one in. Now, I did have a couple other cases, but honestly, they were not even worth turning on the camera for. They were instant returns, basically. Now, don't get me wrong. I do appreciate the case that OnePlus sent out with the phone. We did get a case in the box. That's a nice touch, but honestly, I don't really feel comfortable taking my phone outside in this case, so I wanted something a little bit more protective. Now, in comes Eastcoo. Look, I'll have the name up on the screen. Let me know how you think you say it. So this case is available in 4 colors: black, red, gray, and green. Now, I wanted either the black or red, or basically the black in red, but the green was the first one that could get here. It was like a week out for how soon I could get it. And this one I got, I think, like, I ordered it on Tuesday and got it today. So after getting this case, I will say I think I will pick up the black and red and do like some case combos, because I actually really like this, especially coming in at $15. And like I said, it is a struggle to try to find cases for this phone right now. Now, this case is better than the OEM one in just about every way. So you can see, like, the front cover bumper. You can see how fragile this is, how flexible and fragile it is. This one, there is actually some stiffness to it. It's actually pretty thick compared to, if I can hold on to it, compared to the one we got in the box. You can see there's like extra protection. And then the back of this phone case, this case reminds me of the Sandstone case. Not exactly, but pretty close. But let's go ahead and snap it on. Like I said, it is coming in at around $15 for all 4 colors. Just depends on how fast you want it to get to you. It snaps on really well, and you can see, quick tour around the case, all of the cutouts align. Obviously, you're not getting any type of hinge protection. It's a 2-piece case, but all the cutouts align at the bottom. Now, your right side is open. You got your power button right there. You got your volume up and down, no issues there. And then you have your volume your switch. So you can easily get to it. It's no struggle at all. Take a look at the back. You can see your cameras have some protection. All of the cutouts align. The cameras are even recessed down in there. And like I said, this is a really grippy case. Not sure what the texture is exactly. Like I said, it feels really close to like the Sandstone case, but I actually really like the texture of this case. You can see your front screen is recessed down in there. When you open it up, you can see the enhanced corners. So if it is dropped, it does have to get through these layers. So you actually are getting a little bit of drop protection on the corners. Really like this case. Now, the description said you get adhesive strips. Let me take it off real quick. If you see, there was no adhesive strips in the case. And then there was also no adhesive strips in the box. Maybe I got like an early model and adhesive strips was accidentally left out on this one. But even without the adhesive strips, it snaps on. It's a really solid snap, and it doesn't slide around at all. And I don't always rock the adhesive strips anyway, so not the biggest deal. Just wanted to point it out in case that was like a selling point to you. The more expensive cases do usually come with like adhesive strips. This one said it had it, but obviously there's nothing there. But one thing it also said was that it supports wireless charging. Obviously, the OnePlus Open doesn't even have wireless charging. Look, if we can start buying cases that gives phone wireless charging, yo, that would be a whole nother level. But yeah, coming in at $15, not a bad pickup right now. Because like I said, it is extremely difficult to find a good case right now. This one's pretty solid. Really good grip. You're getting You're getting lay on the table protection because the screen is recessed down in there. There's 4 colors to choose from. I'm pretty sure I'm going to pick up that black and red. If there's any cases you know of, yo, hit me up. Let me know what cases you're rocking right now. I do hope I can find a case that doesn't have, this is like mad annoying. It's even worse on the OnePlus case. I think that's just a consequence of having a foldable phone. The cases are all like this. That's kind of like annoying to me, but I do catch myself playing with that, not even knowing. But yeah, $15. The links are down in the description if you're interested. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. It's V-Dust Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.